everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of our newest updates inside the Realty Candy ecosystem, the HighLevel Advanced Search Survey app in IDX Addons. Before we jump in, quick reminder. If you want to get notified whenever we release a new feature, make sure you subscribe to our changelog updates. What this update does, this update introduces a new app that allows you to capture advanced search fields through a high-level survey. Previously, we only supported the basic search survey, which meant you could only collect basic criteria. Now you can capture more detailed preferences, like remarks, pets, year built, and more, depending on what your MLS supports. This helps you collect lead preferences more accurately and automatically generate the correct saved search. Important notes. A few quick things before we start. First, advanced fields depend on your MLS, and some fields must be enabled in IDX Broker before they can appear in the survey. And second, this feature is available for IDX Broker Engage accounts only. If you're on Core, you'll need to upgrade to Engage for this to work. Now let's start inside idxaddons.com. Search for HighLevel Advanced Search Survey. Then open the app and click Tutorial. I'll be following that exact guide in this video. Once you open the app, it will prompt you to create the required high-level custom field. IDX Basic Search, IDX Addons, just click Yes, and it will automatically create the custom field inside your high-level account. Next, click Advanced Fields. Select your MLS, and then choose the property type you want. For example, condominium. From there, select the advanced fields you want to collect, like remarks, pets, year built. Then click Save Selection. If you don't see fields available for a property type, that usually means those fields are not enabled yet inside IDX Broker. Step 2. Build the survey in HighLevel. Now let's switch over to HighLevel. Go to Sites, Surveys, Builder. Then click Start from Scratch. On the first page, add your contact fields. First name, last name, email, phone. Next, add a new page. On this page, add the custom field, IDX Basic Search, IDX Addons. Then mark it as hidden so it doesn't show up to the user. Now add an HTML element on the same page. Click Edit, paste the HTML code from the tutorial and click Save. Then save the survey. Next, we'll create the workflow. Create a workflow from scratch. Add the trigger, Survey Submitted. Then filter it so it only runs for the survey you created. Save the trigger. Now add an action, webhook. Copy the webhook URL from the IDX Addons tutorial and paste it into the webhook action. Next, add the custom data keys exactly as shown in the tutorial. This part is important. The keys must match perfectly, no spaces, no capital letters, otherwise the workflow won't work. Then map each key to the correct high-level field. Step 4. Test it. Now, we're going to test everything. Open your survey in preview mode, submit a test lead, and select the same property type you configured in IDX Addons. You'll see the advanced fields load automatically based on your MLS. Submit the survey. Now go back to your workflow and check enrollment history. You should see the survey submission and the webhook action running successfully. And that's it. This setup allows you to embed the survey anywhere in your website and automatically capture lead preferences, trigger the workflow, send the data through the webhook, and create a saved search inside IDX Broker. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team at support@realtycandy.com. You can also use the chat widget on our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.